Well, I was wondering about the stimulus check because I'm 64 years old and I live alone, and I've got bills piling up and my disabilities. I pay for my medicine stuff, but I can't even see a doctor since this has been going on, and I'm under psychiatrist care. And I mean, I'm really stressed out about all this stuff because my bills are piling up, and I've never had it before.
Did you understand the first part?
I understand she's experiencing hardship from this.
Yeah.
And a lot of people are. And I guess the question is, what can you do to help? What can be done to help? I didn't hear a question, but my guess is that. You know, from a legal standpoint, I don't know that there's much that we can do. Now, I know that the volunteer lawyers, there's a help desk for folks in really throughout most of central Alabama. So from a legal standpoint, I think that access to legal representation is there. But in terms of, and it never slowed down, but in terms of what we could do as lawyers to try to help someone's personal situation, what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to make sure that scammers are held accountable. We're going to make sure that if someone is supposed to be practicing a certain standard of care in whatever it is that they're doing, even under a pandemic situation, those are the type things that lawyers can do. Lawyers can help try to get cases, work with judges to try to get cases to trial and try to get access to the court system. I hate it that anybody is suffering, anybody's having problems financially, or they're scared or worried, and I guess we're learning what a pandemic is all about.
Yeah, I think some of her issues was related to she's on disability and she doesn't file her taxes, and so she's receiving a lot of stress, obviously, from her financial situation. Yeah.
I mean, this is hitting everybody.
Yeah.
I mean, every business out there, save just a few, and virtually every person that can't work or they're homeschooling their kids. I mean, we're all in this together, and I hope that you've got some friends or some family members that you can call on